pond talking about fishing spots. I'm Billy off the ESPN fishing team, and that's our mascot, Hank.
And I'm Henry from Swinehart Plumbing. We're out here today teaching you guys how to best locate best fishing spots for the species you're after.
I'm Cole. I'm from St. Peter's Beach. Let's do it. These are cattails. Great for cover for bass, northern,
And bluegill.
and bluegill. Good for fishing.
Alright, Rocks. They're pretty darn good for some crayfish, smallmouth, a couple other kinds of fish. They really like these. Like to spawn in them, just chillax in them.
So sand in ponds is very good for walleyes. It's where they like to spawn.
Creating habitat for this private pond.
Alright, I'm Billy, here to talk about weeds. Alright, fishing on weed edges is good cover for bass, bluegill, and northern. They like laying in the weeds.
This segment is brought to you by Cornelia Fireworks, where we blow up your world. Come on, you boy.
One's good enough.
We're out here at Cooter Pond. Done found us here a nice little stick here. It's good habitat for probably bass, likely to find it here. Maybe some catfish, bluegills, northern. But there's only one way to find out. We better hop in and get a better look. Yeah, it's real good here, yeah. Probably got some northern around here somewhere if we go down and get again. Yeah, that's real good.
This segment is brought to you by ESPN Fishing Team, where we catch big fish. See this point here? Points are good for bait fish. They hold good cover. Nice place for fish to live. Why don't we throw a line in?
You got one, Billy! This segment is brought to you by Swinehart Plumbing, where we unclog your toilet and fix your leaks.
Some of the best places to go fishing are places with variety, such as weeds, rocks, and even sticks.
Let's go fishing.
Get a front door key to the Playboy Mansion on a data set.
Cole, what are rocks good for?
Well, I'd say smallmouth because there's a lot of little crayfish there for eating.
Yeah.
This segment is brought to you by Palermo's Pizza. We have the best frozen pizza ever. Now with fish meat. So Billy, what kind of fish you think you'll find in sandy parts of the pond?
Probably some bass, northern, bluegill. They like that kind of stuff.
I'd say so.
Yeah. Menards, best prices on kayaks. Made in the Midwest.
Save big money at Menards.
Hey Cole, what will we most likely find here? Good old stick habitat.
Probably some bass, northerns, and probably bluegill too.
I'd have to say.
So Billy, think this is a good place to go bass fishing?
Yeah, looks like it. There's a lot of cattails, probably some rocks down there. Good cover for the fish. Why don't we throw a line in and check her out?
Let's get her.
This segment is brought to you by Farm and Fleet, where the hardest working people in America find value at Farm and Fleet.
All right, cool. What's good about weeds in the water?
Well, they're probably a pretty good habitat for some different various fish, probably like bass and bluegill.
I'd agree.
Cooter Pond, great place to go fishing. Really secluded.
Hope you learned some good stuff here at Cooter Pond.
Hope you learned a lot.
Good luck fishing.
Look at this photograph.
Yeah, we're out here at Cooter Pond. Found a good log in the water. Try that.
Who's saying it?
Menards. Best prices on kayaks. Made in the Midwest.
Save big money.
Let me talk to you. Come on. So